Welcome to our online asynchronous workshop. My name is Zane McGee and I'm the director of the Candler Writing Center, and I'm going to be your host today as we talk about tackling the personal statement. Now, whether you are applying for a job or applying for ordination, PhDs, grants, any type of application where you're representing yourself, you're most likely going to be asked to present some type of form of a personal statement, whether it's just a simple short paragraph about yourself or whether it's a longer narrative that represents why you are qualified for this position that you're applying for. So today we're going to talk about how to present your best self in that, how to be authentic to yourself, but also how to meet the needs of the application process and the actual position that you're applying for. Now, it can be tempting when you're asked to talk about yourself to simply list all of the biological facts about yourself, where you were born, how old you are, what family members you have, what your occupation is perhaps. But to really make a compelling case for yourself, you really need to think in forms of stories, because stories compel people to action. Stories represent more than just the facts that come across, but they tell us something personal about the person who's sharing them and about the people involved in the stories themselves. So I want us to begin today with a little bit of an exercise. I want you to picture that you're sitting in a classroom, a physical classroom with classmates and a professor. And it's the first day of class, and the professor asks you to introduce yourself to the class and to share a little bit of information about yourself. And they ask you to do that in the form of a story. If you had to share one story that truly represented who you are, what story would you tell? I want you to pause and think about that for just a minute. And then I want you to watch the following video and think about the story that's being told in this video and how it connects to the purpose of the type of video that it is.